devotee's one qualification is dukkha, expert. Out of the 26 qualifications, a devotee is always very expert in dealing. It is not that because they have left anything material, they do not know how to deal with material things. Raghunath Das Goswami did it, perhaps you know this story. Political, nothing to do with material things. When there was a political game, exactly very nice when he was young man. The devotee also not interested in material things, but Krishna said they deal with material things very expert. That should be the qualification of expert. Not that I have nothing to do with these material things. No.